students, my name is Parminder. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe and you are doing your work on daily basis. Today I will teach you movement of the earth and satellite. Movement of the earth. The earth is not stationary. It is moving all the time on its axis around the sun. Thus it shows two types of movements, the rotation and revolution. First, I will tell you about the rotation. It's about an imaginary line called axis. These are axes. The movement of the earth on its axis called rotation. It takes 1 day to complete one round. Day and night are caused by the rotation of the earth. I will show you one activity. Day and night can be easily observed by this activity. You can see here the part of the earth facing sunlight is bright, has a day. The other part does not face the sun, is dark, has a night. As the earth moves, the part which was initially facing the sun goes behind. It becomes dark and has a night. The part which was earlier dark now faces the sun. It has a day. This is a continuous process. You know that the earth goes around the sun in an orbit. This movement of the earth is called revolution. The earth completes its one round in 365 days and 6 hours. This time period is called 1 year. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. We have 4 main seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. In India, we have one more season called the monsoon. Satellite is a body that revolves around a planet. Satellite may be artificial or a natural. Natural satellites do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. Let's talk about the natural satellite of Earth, the moon. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It goes around the earth. It takes 27 days and 8 hours to go once around the earth. It is nearer to the earth than the sun. The moon does not have its own light. It shines with the light of the sun. We cannot see the moon in the bright light of the sun. We can see the moon in the early morning and in the evening before sunset. Phases of the moon. We see the moon changing its shape every night. This is because of its changing position around the earth. In its different positions around the earth, we see different shapes of the moon. They are called phases of the moon. They are new moon, crescent moon, first quarter moon, gibbous moon and new moon. We do not see the moon at all. This is called new moon. This is called new moon. After 2 or 3 days, we see bow-like shape of the moon. This is called crescent moon. This is called crescent moon. It takes 4 days for crescent moon to change into the first quarter moon. After a week, we see then half of the moon. This is called gibbous moon. This is called gibbous moon. The full moon is seen within 2 weeks. The full moon is seen within 2 weeks. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.